DOS stands for Disk Operating System. It is single-user operating system. It has been very popular on microcomputers up to mid-1990s. DOS was designed by International Business Machine. It resides on the disk and controls all functioning of the computer. It controls all the programs of the computer system. However, it does not provide networking features. To connect the computer, some third-party networking software should be installed.
MS-DOS is a non-graphical command line operating system derived from 86-DOS that was created for IBM-compatible computers. MS-DOS, originally written by Tim Paterson and introduced by Microsoft in August 1981 and was last updated in 1994 when MS-DOS 6.22 was released. MS-DOS allows the user to navigate, open, and otherwise manipulate files on their computer from a command line instead of a GUI like Windows. Today, MS-DOS is no longer used. However, the command shell, more commonly known as the Windows command line, is still used by many users.
Most computer users are only familiar with how to navigate Microsoft Windows using the mouse. Unlike Windows, DOS is navigated by using DOS commands. For example, if you wanted to see all the files in a folder in Windows, you would double-click the folder to open the folder in Windows Explorer. In DOS, you would navigate to the folder using the cd command, and then list the files in that folder using the dir command.
Major tasks performed by DOS are: command input and output devices, execute user programs, manage system resources, provide user interface, and memory management.